How to add, remove list, and set password of user, and also change a group of a user. To see this, let's navigate to terminal. To add user add, and then the name of user. To list it, cat slash etc slash password. Here the user exists. To set the password, we will use passwd, then username demo. Now the password successfully. To delete the user, uh, let's first change the group of users. User mode minus, to check first the group ID demo. The current group is demo. User mode minus g for group change, and let's say root, and then username. It will add it to the root group member ID demo. Let's say to tell the user del demo. Now the user has been deleted.